friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the Oracle Optimizer. So when you are working as an Oracle DBA, the performance tuning is really important part. And when you are dealing with the performance tuning, you should know the importance of Oracle Optimizer. We basically know that whenever you are writing any query, let's say you have fired one command like select star from table name, where country equals to India. So this is one single simple SQL statement where we are trying to fetch India data. Now what basically internally happened? That is what we need to understand over here. And because of that only the Oracle optimizers play a really important role. Now when you fire this command where you are looking for the country data, now basically with the help of optimizer, okay, try to understand. With the help of optimizer, it is going to generate a SQL plan. So optimizer is the one who is responsible to create a number of SQL plans. Number of plans will be created. Let's say we got 3 plans, right? So what optimizer will do? Optimizer will choose the best plan among those 3 plans. So what is the use of that base plan? Base plan means to say, if optimizer is using the correct plan, means the base plan, the query execution of your that SQL query execution will be really faster, and that is where the optimizer play an important role. Without having the optimizer, so it is not something that Oracle will directly give you the output. Now when you fire a command, optimizer will be done. Optimizer will be comes into the picture. He will create a plan and he will choose the best plan among that, and then you will get the output. So let us go to my screen and you will see quite in depth like what are all things the optimizer need when he is choosing the right plan. Let's assume that there is one user and he fired the command like select star from table name where country equals to India. So this is one command where the user is looking for India data. Okay. Now when you fire this command, basically there will be 2 types of check. One we called it as a semantic check, and another type of check we called it as a syntax check. Semantic check means the user whether he is having the right permission on this table or not, whether the table is available or not. Syntax check means whether the syntax is right or not. All those checks will be happened when you fire the command. Let's assume that both the things are passed. Now what Oracle will do, it will try to create a plan based on the condition that I'm going to tell you. So the first thing is it will try to check schema information. He will try to get the schema information. Now what does it mean by schema information? So if you observe this command, you can see that we are calling the column called country. Now this country column, whether it is having any index or not, that is what it is going to check. All those information will be available with the help of schema information. So first of all, it is going to check whether the index is available there or not. If the index is available, then what type of index? All those information will be get in this phase. We called it as a schema information. Second thing is, if the index is available, let's assume that we have an index available. So there are 2 chances. One is whether to use index or whether to go with the full table scan. That are the 2 decisions that we need to take care. But who is going to do all this decision? It will be taken care with the help of optimizer. All those phase whichever I'm discussing over here will be taken care by the optimizer. You fire the command schema information, it will try to collect the schema information where it will check whether the index is there or not. Now if the index is there, whether to go with the index or whether to go with the full table scan. This decision can be checked with the help of statistic. Now what is meant by statistic? Statistic means, let's say you have 100 record in that table, and out of 100 records there are only 1% record are there which are related to the India. Now 99% are not we are fetching, right? So when you fire this command, only 1% of data, only 1% of data is getting fetched with the help of this where condition. So what it will do, it will obviously go with the index. It will obviously go with the index. This decision will be taken care with the help of statistic only. Okay. Now assume in the reverse order, if you are getting a data which is more than 25% of data out of this 100 record, 25 or more than 25 records, we are getting it related to the India, then there is a chance that it can go with the full table scan. It will go with the full table scan because using the index is not feasible. So that is what it is going to choose. That is what it will be planned with the help of optimizer. So optimizer is the one who will take the decision whether to go with the index or whether to go with the full table scan. And to help optimizer, we have a statistic and it is going to check the schema information. So this is where the optimizer is going to play a really important role. So optimizer is going to create multiple plan, and from there it will try to choose the base plan to get your execution very faster. Now there are some other things that I want to explain in the next video. You can ask optimizer to choose any particular plan also with the help of hint or baseline. It's possible. We can give some instruction to the optimizer that you can use this particular plan because the plan which optimizer is using right now, that is not a base plan as per our thought process. So we can ask optimizer, we can force optimizer to use a base plan as per our understanding. So that is what all possible. But if you are not forcing, then Oracle is quite smart, Oracle optimizer is quite smart to use the base plan with the help of this optimizers only. So this is all things that we need to understand. I hope you understood this concept very well. If you are really understanding, then please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you are looking for training, you can reach out to me on my mobile number 9960262955, or you can email me on this email id ankush.thodi@gmail.com. Okay, and we provide a training on Oracle Core DBA and Data Guard environment. Thank you. See you again with the next video. Bye bye.